guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today we got this Hot Wheels like 6-pack. This is like a JDM pack and it has some pretty cool cars. We got the custom Datsun 240Z, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, 1970 Toyota Celica, Mazda RX-7, Subaru WRX STi, and the 1982 Nissan Skyline R30. So we got some really awesome cars in this, and as you can see, this flips up and kind of see them right here. But I'm going to go ahead and break the seal, bust this thing open, and if you guys are like, oh no, don't break it open. Honestly, this actually did come in kind of damaged. I don't know if you can kind of see the box right there. Got a crease all along there. There's some other dings and whatnot on here, but one of the main reasons I got this is, yes, this is an awesome set. Got some pretty awesome JDM cars right there, which I'll show you guys up close here in a second. But I have the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, and I'm super curious because 6 cars and the raceway has 6 lanes. So let's go ahead and bust these open, check them out, and then obviously stay tuned because I'm going to run them on the racetrack in this video. So we'll see exactly which one of these is the fastest, and I think it's going to be a really awesome race. Plus, these cars look really amazing, so definitely stay tuned for that. Already I kind of noticed that this kind of artwork here on the box is the same artwork on the underside, so that's kind of cool. But I'm going to go ahead and break the seal. And also, before I get started, there will be a link in the description down below where you guys can go pick this up actually on Amazon. So they have a bunch of other sets on Amazon as well. This was actually a pretty good price. I believe it was even on sale when I picked it up. So I thought that was pretty awesome. And like I said, since I wanted to run them on the raceway, why not? So here we go. Yeah, some more kind of crush damage here in the little flaps. But let me slide out these cars, which look absolutely amazing. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and start with the Datsun 240Z. That looks really amazing. Obviously, it's finished in gloss black. And I love that little trim on the side. You got some decals there on the back. Man, that looks really amazing. And even like a little Hot Wheel logo as the license plate. So that's actually, it's like black rims, black body. It's like a totally like blacked out. Obviously, it's like that wide body kit on it, which looks really good. You kind of see it there in the rear fenders, especially from that top-down view. All right, so let's go ahead and bust out the Civic Type R. There we go. This one looks really cool. We got a really nice livery on it. And there we go. And honestly, that red and black, kind of like on that white base, looks really good. Got the Honda logo up on the roof, and they got some other little decals on the hood. But I think this one looks really good. And then also like black on black rims for this one as well. I guess the other one had like that silver trim, and then the back on this is just all white. But it looks pretty awesome. So go ahead and set that aside. Next, let's do the Mazda RX-7. So it's kind of like an old school, kind of like goldish kind of brown, and they got like the brown and black accents down the side, and then you have the black stripe with the brown border on the hood there. The rest of this is essentially kind of plain, not too crazy. Got some really nice wheels on there too. And then we have it's a Toyota Celica. A little scratch on the hood, but that's fine. We'll be running these on a racetrack anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. But I think like all these so far have had some really nice wheels. You can see a little scratch there on the white. But I got the giant gumball with the 70 on it there. Got like the little white stripes down the side, which look really good. And it carries on to like the rear fender, like behind the rear wheel. So that's pretty nice casting. And let's do the Nissan Skyline R30, which that looks really cool. All right, so this one is obviously black and red. Has some like silver accents above the A-pillars and over the windows. Gold wheels, as you can see. Cool little license plate with the Hot Wheel logo. This one looks really nice. I do kind of like how streamlined and simple that is. Not too crazy, not too over the top, but pretty nice. And let's go ahead and pull out the Subaru WRX STi. And this one looks really good. Obviously finished in that blue with white wheels. You got the decals on the side, the numbers. Got some stuff on the hood there. Even has like some blue decals underneath the white ones. Or I guess they're not really white. They're more of like a kind of like an off-white kind of cream color. That looks really cool. The way that light kind of hits that body color looks really nice too. But let me know down in the comments down below which one of these you guys like, because I think these look really awesome. And also, which one do you think is going to win the race? Because, like I said, I'm going to line all these up, going to run them on the track. There's no sense in stalling, so let's go ahead. I'm going to grab up all these, head over to the other room where I have the track set up, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I got the raceway set up and everything, and I got all 6 of the cars set right up here at the top. And obviously there's the box right there, but which one do you guys think is going to be fastest? Definitely put down the comments down below and see if you're right in the end. But let's go ahead and run these in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the Honda Civic Type R was the winner. So did you guys guess right? Also, you got the Subaru that flipped over here. But did you guys think that this was going to be the winner? Honestly, I wasn't too sure. The weight on this one actually feels a bit different. I don't know if it's just because it's a lot taller or what, but I don't know, it did feel like a little bit different. If that's what you guys were expecting, good job in guessing that. But yeah, to me, that was a little unexpected. I was actually thinking one of the other ones is going to win, but obviously there's your winner right there. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think of the race. Also, were you guys expecting the Honda Civic Type R to win? I honestly wasn't too sure, so it's actually kind of interesting being able to run all these on the track. I actually did run it a few times and pretty much got the exact same results every single time, just in case there's something askew with like the track or whatever. So this was like a good calibration to be able to see if the track was super accurate. I changed up the lanes every single time the Civic Type R took the lead. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button down below. Also, don't forget to pick one of these up on Amazon, link in the description down below. And you can see I have a bunch of Amazon black boxes over here. I do case unboxings with those all the time. There's also going to be links in the description down below for those. And I have a new video of those coming soon, so definitely stay tuned. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.